if you have been struggling on how to make profit, this video is for you. Don't scroll. Right now, take a good look of this. Let me take you guys through our Telegram community, right, which you can see for yourself. So if you want to be part of this Telegram community, kindly check the video description. You are going to see the link over here so that you can also witness the power of consistency with our Algo Forex trading bot, right, which you can see over right here. These are all the reviews over right here, which you can see for yourself. Now let's check one review over right here that somebody came over right here, and you can see, okay, this very particular person came and he made $480 that very particular day, and this person made $862, and you can see a lot of testimonies coming in everywhere. Today, this bot made a profit of $1,206, right? Algo Forex bot was a robot that opened all the straight, right? Don't forget. Okay, let me take you guys through last week. Last week, the bot made a profit of $9,118, and we made a withdrawal of $6,150, which you can see this for yourself, right? And also take note, we started this account a deposit of $20,000. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, and you can see $20,000, and the bot made $17,841 as profit in few trading days. Right now, you don't need to be scared. If you have a small account with your $150, $200, this bot is going to trade for you and make tremendous profit for you, right? So say that is not just that, right? So this bot has some features like news filter, right? And if you also want to get this bot, we are going to give you access to this robot for limited time. It can be 1 week. Just kindly join our Telegram group so that you can get access to this bot. Just hit admin up. You are going to get access for this bot for limited time for free.